Music back. R&B Music, music back. R&B rock. Music.
So yesterday we have done theme, music, and we were on clip edit. And on clip edit we were doing filter. So yesterday I have taught you how to use the filter, and I've showed you the differences of using the filter. There is option here, apply to all clips. If I click on this effect, like presently I'm using blood effect, so blood effect will be used upon all the clips. Let's see. I click on apply to all the clips, and then after doing this, applying upon all the clips, if I play it now, you will see this effect is being applied upon all the clips. Now after this, the second option is canvas and BG. If you click on this option, you could see here the first option is original. What is the default size of the image? According to that, it shows the same size. 1 by 1, just you see the changes, how it looks. 4 by 5. So it is saying, do you wish to change video proportion? Means simple idea is that we are changing the length and breadth of the video. So different options. 16 by 9, most of the movies are nowadays 16.9 and 9.16 in a vertical way. So presently I'll just leave it upon original. I can change it also then, and then I can click on apply to all clips. Okay, so that has been clear to you. So now at the bottom, if you will watch, some options are there. The first option, these options are used to change the background color. So by clicking on this, now here you might be not noticing anything, but here you can just see when I'm clicking on 1 by 1, and at the bottom if I'm changing the color, you could see here the difference. I hope you have noticed. I can easily change the background color. That means on the top and at the bottom. The second option, you could see here the background color, what, like just see it's green color. I can make it into blue, purple, means many options are there. From here you can set the background color just to fill up the empty space around the image. Third option, you can set your own background. Like suppose I want to select these flowers, you could see now on the top and bottom that image is coming as a background. I hope it is clear to you now. So now third option is duration. If I click on duration, you could see here it is written 3.0 second. What it means? That means each image what you have selected, it displays for 3 seconds. I can increase Suppose I have increased into 5 seconds. Now what is the difference is, if I click on apply to all photo clips, that means each image will show for 5.4 seconds. I hope it is clear. If I click on this, tick. Now overall duration of my movie is 49 seconds. Again I'll click on duration. I'll decrease the size 3.2 second. Apply to all photo clips. Tick. Now see, it is 30 seconds. Presently it is 30 seconds. I hope it is clear to you. Now the next option, duration is clear to you. Duplicate. Duplicate means whatever pic I have selected. Duplicate. You could see here the same image is been copied into two. So I hope it is clear to you what is the use of duplicate. Then this split and speed will not work here. It will only work when I'll use some videos. Next option is adjust. Now if you'll see, it is written there VIP, because what the app I have given to you, it is already been cracked, so that's why I can utilize this option here. And here I can, this darkness, brightness, I can just control from here. Contrast, just see, if I click on contrast more clearer the image will be. The same way saturation, it is becoming now light color, black and white, more dark color. So different options are there. More clearer, blurry. So temperature. So plenty of options are there. You can just try out all these options. Hue. See. Overall changing the RGB, means red, green, blue color, and it will give you the effect upon overall image. Highlights. Highlight means lighter color of the image. Fade. So these are the options what I can use, and the same way I can click on apply to all clips. The same effect will be applied upon all the clips. So just now I'm not utilizing this. Okay. Again the reverse option. Reverse option will work upon video. Mute is there. Rotate. Rotate means if I want to rotate the image. See, it's been rotating. Okay. Then transitions. Now this is important. Transitions. I click on transition. In between the images, as in PowerPoint you have done, just to connect from one image to another, I can put some transition is there. Connectivity. Suppose there are different transitions here. Suppose this one I can use mesh. I'll click on this. You could see here. Let it be. I click on apply to all clips. Now see, in between all the images, the transition. Now you will see the transition. First one you might not notice because this image is same. Now you see different effects. So this is all due to transition. I can change transition for all the images. Suppose I click on this image, transition. I can click on glitch. It is something like this. Manually I can click on the different images, transition. Some other transition I can use. None means I don't want any. The first one. So different many are there. This is zoom. Well, let's see. Just say. So I hope you got the idea how to use transitions. Pick zoom, this option. Can you see the difference? If I'm clicking on this, it shows, so it zooms the image. The next option is select. If I click on select, means I'll be selecting all the pics at the same time. Just see all the images is been selected, and then it can help me to adjust. If I click on adjust, transition, nothing else. If I want to delete, no, I'll click on back option. Then all these options we have done. Sorting, one option is sorting. Sorting means it shows me all the effects I have utilized, like filter, canvas, duration, whatever I have used. So it shows in what order I have used different effects. So now coming to another controls, other options. Now multi-music, the first option is multi-music. It will work if I'm inserting some video and it is having its own music. So here I'm only using the pics, so it is not having any music. It is only having the music what I have inserted. So I'll not be using this option now. Second option is text. At the bottom it is showing me the timeline, how my concept is being organized by me. So next option is text. So I want to use text. I want to insert some text in my video. So I'll click on this text option. While clicking on this text option, just see it is written here tab to add text. So I'll type here class 8th. Click on OK. Suppose I want to, in the middle I want to take this class 8th option. I want to make it a little bigger. And here are different effects, means animated text. Suppose I'll just like this one. Okay. Now by default what the options are present for me in this text? In the text at the bottom you see, once I've selected the style, now I'll select the second option. Here see, just plenty of things are available here. First one, the text is something like this. Okay. And then the second option on the top you see it's subtypes. I have to download this. I'll click on download. So once I have downloaded this, you could see here plenty of effects. See how it's changing. Just see now after downloading, if I click on this, it is something background pink color is coming, orange color is coming, yellow is coming. So different effects are there. Okay, rest you can try yourself. So I can use different effects. You have to download it if it is not downloaded. You could see how the difference. Okay, I hope you got the idea how to use different effects. Okay, this one looks nice for me, so I'm using this effect. Then third option is clicking on the third option where A is written. Here you could use different fonts. Let's see. Just you can see the difference. Yeah, looks nice. Dripping. Then I have to download them. On the top where the arrows are showing pointing downwards means I have to download that fonts. Okay. This is okay for me. And then see how I can change the color on the top. Then the next option, stroke color. just use the stroke on the top. Stroke width I have to set, and now I can set the stroke color, green color, sky blue, red. This one is okay. Then the next option, shadow. Can you see the shadow effect? Aligning method, just see different aligning method. Okay, so once I have gone through all the effects, I click on OK here. Just see how it's looking. Manually I can show you. Suppose I want my class 8 effect till here. So now tick. Now once you will see here, if I want to play this manually also I can scroll. Just see class 8 option is coming till this green line, and afterwards nothing is coming. Now again I want to insert some text here. Again I can click on text. Now let's see any other option, simple text. I'll click on welcome. And then some colors we could change. Let's see, I'll download one effect here. Not looking great for me. This one is okay. Then stroke is okay, rest I'll not do anything. I'll stop it here. Okay, so I hope you have learned how to add text. Then just watch the green lines at the bottom of your timeline that shows till where your text is been appearing on your screen. Then next option is sticker. So different effects are there. I click on this, just see one screen is coming. I'll put it here somewhere. Click on tick. Just see here I want to add some new sticker. I click on tick. Just see, I hope it is clear to you how to add. Let's try something. Yeah, suppose here something I want to add this. I hope it is clear to you. So till sticker we have done today. So I'll stop my tutorial at the present point.